Hey, this is Sukhir Noon working on my laboratory 5, and this is uh, D-Latch for D-Latch. So this is the board I just finished programming, and this is the D-Latch. That is the software, and that's just the simulation code, and that's the constraint file. Okay, so this is a D latch. So D is switch 0. So now I'm gonna turn switch 0 to on. Okay, on. So now nothing is on, and I use the center push button to be the input C, and if I press input C now, LED 0 should light up that one there. So it's on. So now if I turn D off, input D off, the light's still on, back on, the light's still on, back off, it's still on. So if I press C, the C input, which is a center button right there. So if I press C, the LED should be off. Okay, it's off. Okay, so now if I keep pressing C, not on. If I push D, it's not on. Turn off, not on. So now if I turn the D on again, and then press the C, LED come back on. Okay, that's it for D latch. Thank you.